A lot of people ask how much milk they should use. We recommend about a pinky below the spout, but the real complex answer is that you should match your pitcher and the amount of milk that you have to your cup. This is an 8-ounce cup and I have about 6 ounces of milk, and for me that works. But a general rule is about a pinky below the spout. First things first, let's make sure we purge our steam wand to get any of that liquid water out of there. Let's let it run for a couple seconds, then turn it off. When we start steaming, we're going to start flat, so the pitcher is resting flat on my hand. And then we're going to kick out the bottom until you can see the steam wand tip, the line there. You want to be able to see the line still. That means that the wand tip is just below the surface of the milk. Turn it on. Bring the pitcher down until it stops screaming at you. It should be pretty quiet. Our job now is to just get some air into the milk. So you should hear these paper tear sounds. I'm lowering the pitcher just a little bit. And I'm lowering the pitcher because the milk is rising. So I have to keep lowering it to keep the steam wand at the surface of the pitcher. Notice how the milk is swirling around in there. We call that the vortex. I think I've got enough air in there now. It's about the temperature of my hand. So now I just leave the steam wand tip a little bit below the surface. I want those bubbles on the surface to start to be gone and integrate into the milk, and you can see that they're starting to go. When the pitcher is a little bit too hot to touch, I'm going to turn it off and then clean the steam wand tip so that none of the milk gets left and crusty inside. If you have a lot of bubbles on the surface, you can tap your pitcher like that and see how they're gone now. And then let's look at our milk. We can know it's about the right thickness when we swirl it and it sticks to the sidewall a little bit, but not too much. This is probably just good enough for a heart, which is what I'm going to pour. All right, so I'm going to take my cup. I'm going to pour a little bit of a base just to bring the crema up to the edge of the cup. Now I'm going to pour into the center. Keep pouring, go up and then out, and we have a little heart. Not my best work, but it's okay. Cheers.